So if you like a good slick high ponytail, then this video is for you.
Hey, new reason. You know what it was when you synced up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Micah Jhanea, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my really tight, really cute, really snatched high ponytail using some old hair that I had from Yolissa hair company. I will link that hair down below. Before we get started with the video, I just want to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. Oh, like this video, comment, and share it with all your friends. Tell your people. I'm trying to grow out here, so you know, help me out and I'm gonna help you out. But let's get to the video. Okay, so now that my hair is completely blow dried and I look crazy. What the fuck? Okay, so now that my hair is completely blow dried, I'm gonna pull it all up into a ponytail. So I want it like literally like right here. So I'm gonna try and bring all the hair up. Brush all of it up to where I want it, and I'm gonna take some Got To Be, and I'm only gonna use like a very small amount because for me with my hair, like this much, like that much. For me with my hair, if I put too much of this stuff, it's gonna like just make my hair curly, and that's not what I'm going for. That's not what I'm doing. That's not the goal here. So lately I've been using these no slip grip hair ties from Scoochie. They are like actual rubber bands, and I use 2 of them to keep an extra hold. So I'm gonna pull all of this back up. We wanna make sure it's like super duper 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 tight, okay? Has to be super duper tight. First time. So I'm just gonna do it again. Same amount. But like that much, and I'm just gonna just around the perimeter. So yeah, if I put too much, then it just starts to get curly, and then me blow drying my hair was for absolutely nothing. All up into this high ponytail, and I have 2 rubber bands, so I'm just gonna do that. So I just take my curling wand and just go like this all around. If you don't have a problem with the texture look, if you are cool with that, then by all means, you know, do you. But for me, I like it to be like slit, okay? Completely slipped. Okay, now I'm gonna use my Got To Be hairspray and just spray all over this. And I'm gonna brush all these pieces up. So they're laying down, and then I'm going to put this scarf on just so they're super duper flat. So everything is just super flat. Now I'm just braiding up my ponytail just so I can turn it into a little bun and we can start the process. So I'm gonna take this hair I have right here, take one side of it and put it right there, and I'm gonna bobby pin the weft to the bun. And then I'm going to take it around. And every time I go around, I pull it a little tighter. And here we are at the end of it. And I'm just going to pull this around and pull it. Where'd it go? And pull it tight. And when I get to the end of the weft, I like to take a strand of hair like this, pull it around, and just like keep taking that strand around and around and around. And then eventually you'll pull it so tight it'll just stay by itself. But if you need a little bit more security, then go ahead and pin it right there. I like my ponytails to be like super full, so I'm gonna add couple more tracks, I guess. I actually got this step from Tiara Walker. So to hide your little bun, she like teases around this, so you can't really see it that much, which I think is super duper smart. So when I add extras, I usually double up on wefts. These are both chopped up, so they're not like connected or anything. So the same way how I ended this, I'm gonna start this. I'm gonna start this the same way I ended the first bundle. So I'm just gonna take the two pieces. I'm gonna take the wefts, take this piece right here, and just wrap it around. And I don't need to wrap this one around the whole. I don't need to wrap this one around like more than twice because it's gonna be held by the rest of this wrapping around. So I'm gonna wrap this way, the opposite direction, pull it, wrap, and every time I'm wrapping, I'm pulling it even harder. And now that I'm at the end of that again, I'm gonna take this and wrap it. And now I'm gonna do some edges. I'm gonna take my Got To Be glue, put some on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna actually comb some of my edges out. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I just did my edges. I don't know if I did them on camera. I don't know if I did them on camera. It stopped recording for a little second there, so maybe it got it, maybe it didn't. I'll see it in a minute. But yeah, so this is the finished look. So me, because I'm super extra, I had to add another piece of hair because I like my ponytails to be super voluminous. I think this is so cute. It's so easy. It's so simple, and it's just like, it's easy for summertime. It's good for summertime because you don't have to have all this hair on your neck, all over your face. It keeps the hair out of your face, and you're still looking cute, you know. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.